You should know by now. Ay,
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little chit chat, get ready with me while I do my hair. I tried this hairstyle out for the first time today and I'm pretty obsessed. I definitely need to get used to it, but I think it looks so cute and I wish my hair just naturally did this so I didn't have to spend 2 hours on it. But I thought this would be a fun little video to do and I missed you guys so much and I can't wait to get back on schedule for you guys on Instagram and YouTube and all that kind of stuff. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video and you're ready for me to get back on it too. Also be sure to comment down below your thoughts. Let me know how you like this and the video. And if you're not subscribed already, please be sure to do so. I'm finally gonna get back to posting every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. It is such a fun time around here and I would absolutely love it if you stuck around. But yeah, without further ado, if you want to see this huge transformation that I just did right now with my hair, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, my hair needs a makeover for sure. So first of all, I just want to excuse if you see the reflection. I'm not completely done unpacking yet, and to be honest with you guys, I just wanted to come and film already. Like, it's been way too long. I'm so happy to be filming, and before we get into all the updates and all that kind of stuff, I am going to start by brushing my hair out. I just realized I probably shouldn't have worn this shirt to do this because I want to take pictures in this shirt. I've worn this shirt in a video before, to be honest, but I shouldn't have worn this because if you can't tell, I got a spray tan and just my armpits look really not cute with it. So I will try and edit that out as much as possible, and if you guys can try and ignore that as much as possible, thank you very much. So honestly, I'm giving myself literally 2 hours to do my hair. Well, a little less because I have to be somewhere in 2 hours, but I don't know how long this is gonna take, guys. So let me give you a little background. So I bought this on Amazon literally 6 months ago, I think. Way before quarantine, I have been wanting to do tiny big curls. Like, I've just always wanted to. Actually, of course I've always wanted to do this, but what really motivated me and sparked the interest even more is when I went to Rolling Loud Miami. I got braids in, and when I took them out, I had like these insane big curls and I loved them so much, but I had to wash it right after because after your braids it's just nasty, like after a festival. So that's what made me want to really do it. And then I ordered this and I rushed out. I totally could have done this during quarantine, but you know what, we gonna do it today. I'm really excited. So I really have no idea how long this is gonna take. I have pretty long hair and I wouldn't say like I have a ton of hair, but I have a decent amount. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. Who knows? I'm just really excited. I've been wanting to do this for so long. So I'm gonna plug this in. So I'm gonna put this at number 11 to 15 because it says medium to normal hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let this heat up and we're gonna start. I am so excited. First of all, how the hell are you guys? I have missed you guys so much, you don't even know. Like, I feel so guilty for slacking this much. I mean, I do have good reason, but it doesn't matter what the reason is. I love what I do and I genuinely get so sad and don't feel like myself when I'm not filming. So I'm just really excited to be filming and chit-chatting with you guys today while I do my hair. So yeah, the first thing, the way to even achieve this hair look is sections. So I don't even know. The one thing I am confused about, which we're just gonna see as we go, is how I'm gonna part the front. I don't know if I'm gonna do middle, I don't know if I'm gonna do side, but I guess we're just gonna see how it looks as we go. Again, I've literally never done this. So yeah, how are you guys? How's your summer? Let's have a whole conversation in the comments. I'm gonna start like all the way behind my ear. I'm really not trying to make anything perfect. I actually suck at parting my hair, but we're just gonna do this as we go. I also suck at putting my hair up with my nails, so sorry about that. We're just gonna do thin sections. We're gonna go. Hope I remember to put my earrings in after this. But yeah, so how has your girl been? That's a loaded question. So obviously I'm back in LA and honestly it was really stressful. By the way, I'm using the Chit 44 iron guard. But the last week I was in New York was probably the most stressful week I've had in a very long time, because I figured like, oh, just go home for my finals week, like it'll all be fine. But I didn't really realize how stressful that would be, like trying to see all my friends and family and finish finals all at once, because let's be real, finals week is pretty much like 2 to 3 weeks long, especially my school doing projects. By the way, I want to film like a Q&A on my college, so if you have any questions, feel free to DM me or comment on here. So I was so stressed, and if you watch my vlogs, you'll get the gist of it, but honestly, like, I was just so stressed For a while I wasn't really feeling myself. I don't know, like quarantine was finally like getting to me a little bit, but it was just like all this stress and then not being able to do YouTube. Like the fact that I haven't posted on Instagram in a week now, and even before that I didn't post again for another week, just says a freaking lot. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out, because I haven't used a clamp in like 5 freaking years, so I'm trying to figure out if I should. How am I gonna do this, bro? So I have long hair and this barrel is freaking tiny, so yo, I shouldn't have gotten one with the clamp. I'm just realizing that now. But okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it here while I talk. So it was just a lot. Then I came back and it was just a lot more, so I just feel like I'm finally starting to feel myself again, but I feel like I was in a weird place for a while. I feel like we all are, to be honest. Ooh, yes, that's what we want. So I'm just warning you guys, if you've never like done this hairstyle or seen someone else do it, I'm gonna look really, really crazy at first. Like, this is not it. Don't worry. When we get to the end, it's gonna look together. But yeah, I'm finally feeling myself. I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. Also, it was very weird for me because, you know, I only go home for like 3 weeks at a time, for 4 weeks max. So to be home for 4 months, basically almost, was really odd for me just because I got used to it again. But yeah, it was just very weird leaving this time because it was like a mix of like, wow, I miss my alone time and I miss my life and like things being back to normal. It was also kind of like, wait, am I gonna be okay like doing this again? It kind of felt like leaving for college all over again. I feel like it's just been a weird time in general, but I'm fine. I'm starting to get back into things. I'm gonna see my family in literally 2 months anyway. So I don't know, I feel like for all of us, it's just a time of reflection about a lot of things. Especially, I think we all thought 2020 was gonna be so amazing, and then it turned out not to be. So it's just like accepting a lot of that, and then ooh. Oh shit. All right, we're just gonna leave it because we're gonna brush it out after. When I get closer, I'm gonna stop talking and just focus on doing all of this just because I really want it to be perfect. I'm very used to living a busy life, and I feel like I don't really have much time to be in my thoughts, but I really have lately. And it's not bad thoughts at all, it's just I'm not used to like overthinking about life so much. When is life gonna be normal again and all this stuff? So it's just a weird time, and I'm sure we could all agree. So it's crazy how much it shrinks my hair. So I'm hoping when I don't really mind if it's this short, but I'm wondering when I brush it out how it's gonna look. And I don't want to brush it out right now because I want them to stay structured, because if I brush this side out and I don't brush the top ones out, it's just gonna get all tangly and messy. We'll take it one step at a time. But yeah, I just have felt really down on myself, mostly about the lack of consistency. Sorry y'all, I'm really trying not to like have my armpits show. And just everything, I'm just kind of like, I never really know how to forgive myself for taking breaks, but I feel like now is the perfect time, if anything, because we all need a breather and we all need a break. And I just gotta remember that I can't be on top of everything at every moment 24/7. So, you know, we're gonna make a comeback. And also, what's really hard for me is I always feel like I have to work 10 times harder all the time because I'm not where I picture myself being, or like where I want to be. I've talked to you guys about this before, so I always feel extra bad for slacking because I'm like, wow, I could be doing this and this. And I also had a project I really wanted to be working on right now, but because of the whole worldwide virus, that's also being pushed back. So I feel like just for a lot of us, life has changed in so many ways, and it's just such a weird adjustment in so many different things. So now that I got that out of the way and told you guys how I've been, I hope you guys have been good. Yo, why can't I do this? This clamp is just confusing the hell out of me. Yeah, so I'm just really excited for this end result. So yeah, slowly getting back, and I also only have a 10-day break before I start 3 summer classes, which are not going to be bad at all. I'm hoping. I'm trying to speak it into existence, and it's all in my own time, so I think it'll be fine. I just have to grind out this last year of school, and I just have so many things that I want to accomplish that I wanted to have already accomplished by now, but you know what? Life happens, things don't always go as planned, so we gonna get there, okay? I feel like I only low-key need this on for like 5 to 10 seconds, which is really good. Plus, it's such tiny pieces, but I just can already tell it's gonna look so good. Honestly, so excited, but I feel like we all high-key needed this year in so many different ways, and we're gonna look back at it as a blessing, surprisingly, even if we don't see it like that now. It is a blessing, you know, in so many ways. When we finally come back from this fully, we're not gonna take shit shit for granted. Like, we're always gonna be down to have fun and appreciate our loved ones and the time spent with them. We're for sure gonna travel more, laugh more, like, it's just gonna be better times, and it just, I think, taught all of us like a bigger lesson out of this, even if it's been a struggle. So we have the first layer down, first of many layers. I feel like I'm gonna end up doing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers total, just as we got little sections at a time. So that's why I gave myself 2 hours for this. Low-key could have given myself 3, but yeah. I actually wanted to go blonde, and I still do, like blonde. I still want to keep my roots though, even when I do. But I'm just trying to think if now is the best time, because I really wanted to do spring, but then of course everything happened. So I'm trying to think how everything would work, because you know, I want to be able to swim right and like go in the pool, and I would be getting extensions. Like I just don't want to like make it more dead than it has to be, but I also wanted to go back to dark for the fall. Let me know if you guys think I should wait. I probably will end up waiting just because the hassle of it in the summertime and like getting your hair wet all the time. I just don't want to deal with all of that. So I might just switch it up and do light for the fall, dark for the spring. I don't know. Maybe I'll go fully dark now. But the problem is, like, I already kind of have a little bit of a base going on, so I wanted to just get it over with now, so that when I fully grow out my hair dark, like, I don't have to dye it again. You know, I mean, I always think I'll put a little bit of highlight. So we got this going. I'm just so excited to see the end result. I've literally never seen myself like full glam with super curly curls like this. Right now, I'm just testing it. I'm trying not to hairspray anything until the end, because I want to be able to comb everything out at the end. So I feel like these curls are tight enough that they'll stay like this until the end. So hopefully I don't need a hairspray. If not, we'll live and we learn, and we'll do it for next time. Also, I need to make a playlist video for y'all, and I wanted to do a mukbang for you guys and a drive with me all while I was in New York. But the time not only caught up to me, but I ordered a freaking bomb ass accessory. We're just gonna say that because I don't want to give away my idea, and it never came. Like, literally never came. So I want to still do that, but I was waiting on it while I was in New York to do the drive with me and like how to just be really fun and cool, but company I ordered from just had different plans, I guess. And it's really good because for some reason this wand does not feel like it's not blowing steam right now, and it doesn't leave them burning. It's gonna look good. Wow. I'm just gonna do this, and then after this I'm gonna speed it up. I'm actually gonna put on Pop Smoke's new album, Rest in Peace. I actually never got a chance to listen to this for a while, and then when I was with my friends the other day, they made me listen to a few songs and I literally fell in love. So we're gonna do this hair, and hopefully now that I'm not talking it goes a little bit faster. So let's see. Oh my god, this is gonna be so bomb. I already know it, but I am curious to know, as knowing from past experiences, like my hair just tangles so easily when I do the braids. I did a braid tutorial. If you haven't seen that and you want to know how I get my crimped braids, like even right now, granted I didn't really tie this right because my freaking nails, and I'm not untying it right either, but when I sleep my hair just gets so tangled. So I am really curious to just know how long is this gonna last, like how am I gonna make it work, the difference. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so we are almost done. We just have like, just have this front section, which is honestly probably gonna be the trickiest, not even gonna lie. So let's see what we're gonna do here. So brushing it out before I even part it, anything in a spray. Brush it through. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm gonna try and do it middle part first. Don't want to get my other hair messed up. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can already tell it's gonna be so cute right now. Okay, so we have this. We're gonna just do middle and see how it looks. So I'm gonna start from the back and then go to the front so that I can make sure that the front is looking exactly how I want it, if you know what I'm saying. So far it's taken me exactly an hour. So I'm shocked because I'm gonna have some time left over, which is good because I want to take some pics. Okay, so what I want to do is, instead of curling this one piece all together, I think I'm gonna do the front piece separate. So these ones we're gonna hold for super quickly. Okay. Okay, this little piece, these hairs tend to go dead really fast, so we're gonna figure it out right now, and I'm sure when we brush it out it'll look better. 1, 2. Oh my god. So we're gonna have to comb that with my finger. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I just want to brush it out already, guys. I swear I haven't spent this long in my hair in like years. The impatience is real. I have these tiny baby hairs, so I'm gonna have to gel down somehow. Okay, oh. So obviously this looks pretty ridiculous, right? So now we're gonna slowly but surely, haha, surely. I might want to do the side part, but we'll have to see right now. I'm going to lightly brush through. See, like, look how much volume that gives compared to this. The other side looks a little silly. Just go through everything. The more you brush through, the more volume there's gonna be. So I kind of don't want it to be like overly. Ugh, it just looks so good. We need to figure out the front though. So let's do this other side. And I need to get the back, the tops. I'm looking at a mirror behind me to see. Okay, we need to figure out how to style this, but oh my god, who is she? Down the middle, I just think doesn't look good, so we could do a little bit of this action. Oh yes, this is exactly what I wanted. Oh, sorry guys, I like it. I swear I like it. I'm just not used to it. I'm trying to get used to it right now. I love it actually, but like I just like, who is this? Who the hell is this? Okay, so it obviously needs a lot of styling. So before I even go in with hairspray, I'm gonna go in with this oil. I literally got this years ago. It's Shine Moist Hair Repairing Serum, and I'm just gonna like put this everywhere, especially on the tops. We just want it to look like healthy and natural instead of like all fried. So I'm like pressing this into the ends. Oh my freaking god. This looks a little bit messy because it was curled to the other side, but it kind of adds some definition, so I fuck with it. Just going in like in the back area to also brush it out, because you don't want those like tight ass, whack ass little curls, you know what I mean? I want it to be voluptuous. And there's a siren in every damn video. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, so right now I'm gonna do a light spray, not too heavy because I like how it's looking right now, but just like a tiny spritz. So now what I have to do is style this front and the top, and then we're good to go because this just ain't cute right here. So I'm gonna get, oh my god, I'm not used to this. I'm gonna get my little spoolie. Like, I don't want it to go too crazy, but I kind of just want to recurl the very front piece just so that it's going in the right direction, you feel me? And so it's a little neater. But in the meantime, I'm taking my Eco Gel with my spoolie, and I'm gonna literally lay this all down. This is like low-key nerve-wracking because this is all new to me. Like, I don't know what's gonna fuck it up, like what's gonna make it look good. It also looks more natural like this, that it's not like completely 100% perfect, which I like. To at the point where if I spent almost 2 hours on this, well not almost, like an hour and a half, I want it to be perfect. All of this needs to get tamed down. Ah! Here's the final look. I keep looking at myself because I'm so not used to this. Let me know if you guys like it. If you don't, just know this is my first time ever doing this, okay? So, oh my god, siren in every video, we get it. Thank you so much for your appearance, xoxo. But yeah, next time I think I definitely need to learn how to do the top of my head a little better, like over up in here. But honestly, your girl is tired. I think it looks good enough right now, and I want to take my pictures. It's so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I thought it would just be fun to sit and get ready with you guys while chatting a little bit and show you guys how I did this hair. And I know once I post this, people are gonna ask for a tutorial, and honestly I just wanted to show you how I did it. Please let me know if you try this down below, and if you do, send me pictures. I will link this curling wand down below for all you girls with curly hair. I am so jealous. I always wish I had some more wave and curl to my hair. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye everyone.